Hello, good any time zone of anyone who is watching now. And I am your host, Kira Vakuo, and it's your void with a voice. I don't sing. And as always, here you guys can see, I'm trying, like so say, to make my VTuber characters. And can give you guys a tiny bit of tour of what I've finished so far. I managed to make the eye. Whee! The eye is crazy! Yeah, I have no idea why that happened, so I think I have to investigate that later. Either way, another thing, and that is the angle face. So if I turn here, you can see like the shifting of the facial features, the nose, the eyes. You can see like the parallax is moving, and then the eyebrow a bit. So more or less of what you guys can see so far. And the modeling physics stuff, I did a little bit of the eye blinking. You can see when playing, you kind of have some movement here. And currently, my eyes apparently is because I copy and paste it. So yeah, kinda have thing in reverse. So I will fix that, like after the video. Anyway, yeah, you already can see. Try to ignore the eye that went crazy and look at the eye that I have right now. Yeah, you see, like the eye inside, like the iris, you can see it. Yay, the shine, the glow, the everything. Please, I really need to put something to, ignore that thing. So let me, what can I put to, kind of like, hold on a bit. You know what, I gave up. Well, this is just a short progressions report, so as you can see, like most of the thing is here, and I will flip my eye back in the features. Gosh dang it. How did this happen? Let's see if yeah, the blink works even if I look at other angle. I still haven't break the up and down yet, so only can see left and right. But either way, I can see like the facial thing is working as intended. So in the futures, I will show you guys that I rake the mouth, the tilt up and down, maybe even the neck. And if anyone want to ask me that, how about the hair? We don't talk about the hair first, because among everything, the hair is the most nightmarish I can see, because everything I have is in individual layer level. So if I need to put physics in there, it's like the nightmare for some people. Not me. I am a 3D artist, so this thing consider a vacation for me. This is done, yada yada stuff. Later on, we'll create the angle Y, angle Z. I have no idea why they want it. Just ignore that. In the futures, maybe in the future I need to fix the eyeball. Like flipping a freaking coin. Either way, yeah. Anyone who's just watching this, and thank you for watching. Welcome to the Kira Vakuo update, progression update, and you're welcome. Thank you very much for it. And did I just already say thank you very much? And now I have to say it 3 times. Okay, now just go to my ending then. As always, I don't really want to say thank you. Appreciate you? Yeah, appreciate you guys here. And stay safe, stay healthy. Next time you see me on again on stream or my videos on, remember, stay tuned. Goodbye guys.